Tried every possible way to lose weight. Guruma, we have gone on a diet, we are doing exercise every day, we are walking, but still we are not able to lose weight. Why? Hari Om, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English. Well, if you are already on diet, if you are doing exercise, you are going to gym as well, but still you are not able to lose weight as effectively as you thought it is going to be, then definitely you are missing one free medicine. Now, when I say free medicine, what is that free medicine? That free medicine is exactly what I'm taking right now, and that's sunlight. Yes, you heard me right. Sunlight is a wonderful medicine to lose weight. Now you must be thinking, how? Then how do I need to take sunlight? When do I need to take sunlight? How do I need to take sunlight? And how sunlight can help me in losing those extra kgs and that extra fat. So watch this video till end. Let's understand the entire science behind sunlight. So sunlight is the best way, taking sunlight is the best way to reduce weight, because it increases your metabolism. It makes your metabolism better. It also helps in making your digestive system better. So whatever you eat, that gets digested in a better way if you take sunlight. Your immune system works in a better way if you take sunlight. Most importantly, it cleanses your entire system, because one of the important reasons of weight gain is either the secretions from your thyroid gland, which you generally say, I have got thyroid. So thyroidism is one of the basic reason of weight gain. Then also sarvaroga malashraya, body waste. When we are not able to excrete the body waste effectively from body, it starts developing into toxins, and that is one of the reasons of weight gain. So when we take ample sunlight, one very beautiful thing that happens in our body is it cleanses our system. So it helps in proper circulation of not just blood in our body, but also oxygen. Now, when there is a proper circulation of oxygen, we get ample oxygen in our body, so that, as I had already explained you in one of my previous videos, if you have not seen that video, do watch. This is that video, and we'll be sharing the link at the description box. Oxygen therapy, how oxygen therapy works on your weight loss journey, for making your weight loss journey good. So when we have ample amount of oxygen in our body, rather I should say increased amount of oxygen in our body, our fat molecules are burnt naturally, and that helps us in losing weight. So if you're doing so much of exercise, if you're going on fat diets, or you're taking a very tough diet, still you're not able to lose weight because your body is not getting ample sunlight. Make sure you take ample sunlight so that you can lose your weight easily, because it relaxes your system. It reduces inflammation from your body. Once inflammation is reduced, you are able to lose weight in a faster way. It improves your digestive system, it improves your immunity, and it excretes all the unnecessary elements from your body, the body waste. That helps in weight loss, and it increases the oxygen of flow of oxygen, which helps as oxygen therapy. Now let's come to the next part of this video, which is
Bharat Yoga online classes is the solution to all your problems. Join from the variety of different batches from the comfort zone of your home. Therapy class to reverse your ailments. Weight loss class for natural and stable weight loss. Kids Yoga Sanskar Shiksha class for overall well-being of your child. Advanced practice class for yoga teachers, advanced practitioners. Dance therapy class for physical emotional healing. Learn from the top institute of India from any corner of the world with personal attention from our experts.
What is the best time to take sunlight? So the best time to take sunlight is between 8 and 10 a.m. Between 8 to 10 a.m. That's the best time to take sunlight for the digestive system, immune system, and for weight loss. Also, you can opt for time between 10 to 12. But if you have any severe skin problem, then you should avoid this time, because sunlight becomes a little harsh. So it's better to go for the time between 8 to 10. Now, last question, Guruma. I stay in a country where we rarely get sunlight. So, what is the best time for us? Trust me, whenever you get sunlight, grab it because that's the best time for you to take sunlight. At places where you don't get ample sunlight, or even in India during winters when you don't get ample sunlight, whenever sunlight is available, make sure you take it. What is the right way to take sunlight? Best way is to expose your body to sun, which might not be possible in a social structure. So if you have your own personal garden or balcony, then you can do it. But if you are staying in a society and you're taking sunlight in a social place, expose those body parts which you can expose easily. Other than that, cover the rest of your body with cotton cloth, preferably of white, orange, yellow, or any sun color. So that way you can have more sunlight. Now, last thing, whenever you take sunlight, make sure that you cover the sensitive parts of your body. So do not avoid exposing sensitive parts of your body to sun, because that might affect those parts adversely, like skin. If you have pigmentation, avoid exposing your face to sun. Then what to do? Just make cover your face while taking sunlight, or just lie down on your stomach and take sunlight at your back. So this way you can take necessary precautions and then take sunlight. And last thing, whenever you will take sunlight, remember that you will feel more thirsty. Even if you're not feeling more thirsty, make sure you're properly hydrated, because your body needs more water when you're exposed to sunlight. So this is one of the most cheapest and easily available, not for everyone, but still for many people easily available medicine, that's sunlight. And those who don't get sunlight easily, they can just grab it whenever possible. That's all for today. Now, sunlight is the best medicine, not just for weight loss, but also for several other things. What are these several things? If you have heart problems, joint pain, back pain, cervical, scalp allergies, skin problems, poor digestion, and so many other. But there is a complete science behind taking sunlight, when to take, how much to take. So if you want to know what are the benefits of sunlight, how we can cure severe problems with sunlight, and what is the right way to take it, do write at the comment box below, because if I'll get your comments, then I'll make a separate video on this topic. That's all for today. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Keep sending your queries and your questions to us. Lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.